How you start your day often determines how the rest of it unfolds. For those who follow Stoicism, the morning is a critical time to set the tone, establish focus, and prepare the mind for whatever challenges the day may bring. This approach isn't about rigid routines, but rather simple, purposeful habits rooted in ancient wisdom. A key part of Stoic practice is reflection. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, would begin his day by contemplating the challenges he was likely to face. He reminded himself that people might be difficult, things might not go as planned, and discomfort was inevitable. This wasn't pessimism, it was preparation. By mentally rehearsing these possibilities, he could meet them with calm and composure when they arrived. You can adopt a similar habit. Take a few minutes in the morning to reflect on the day ahead. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? How will I handle them? This process helps you to be ready for whatever comes, rather than reacting with frustration or surprise. It sharpens your focus on what truly matters. Another valuable habit is identifying what is within your control. The Stoics believed that most things in life are outside of our direct influence: other people's opinions, external events, even the outcomes of our efforts. What we can control, however, is how we think, act, and respond. In the morning, it's useful to remind yourself of this simple truth. Before your day begins, identify what you can control today: your actions, your mindset, your effort. By focusing on these, you free yourself from unnecessary stress over what is beyond your influence. Journaling can also be an effective way to begin the day. Stoic thinkers like Seneca and Marcus Aurelius used writing as a means of clarifying their thoughts. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simply jot down your reflections, goals, or a Stoic principle you want to keep in mind. For example, you might reflect on a quote such as, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Writing these thoughts helps anchor your mind in what's important, providing clarity and direction for the day ahead. Another cornerstone of Stoicism is gratitude. Each morning, take a moment to reflect on what you're grateful for, no matter how small. In Stoicism, gratitude isn't just about appreciating the good things in life, it's also about recognizing the opportunities in difficulty. As Epictetus said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." This habit shifts your perspective from what you lack to what you have, cultivating a sense of contentment that strengthens your resilience throughout the day. Lastly, consider practicing negative visualization. This may seem counterintuitive, but the Stoics believe that imagining the loss of something or someone you care about heightens your appreciation for it. By briefly contemplating what life would be like without certain comforts, relationships, or possessions, you enhance your appreciation of them in the present. It also prepares you to face inevitable losses with greater strength and acceptance. These habits, morning reflection, identifying what's within your control, journaling, practicing gratitude, and negative visualization are simple but powerful. They align your mind with Stoic principles and prepare you for the challenges and opportunities of the day ahead. In the fast-paced, unpredictable world we live in, these practices offer a way to stay grounded. They allow you to approach each day with purpose and clarity, rather than being swept up in distractions or stress. They help you maintain control over one thing you truly have power over: your own mind. Remember, success isn't just about what you achieve, but how you approach each moment. Stoic habits in the morning set the foundation for resilience, focus, and calm throughout your day. By practicing these habits consistently, you'll find yourself better equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more insights into Stoicism and practical philosophy. Start your day with purpose, and let Stoic wisdom guide your path to success.